In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your website files to your hosting account using cPanel File Manager or FTP. If you've just finished building your website and you're ready to put it online, this process is actually very straightforward. There are two common ways to do it, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose the one that works best for you. The first option is using File Manager inside cPanel. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, look for the File Manager tool and open it. This is where you can view and manage the files on your hosting account directly from your browser. After File Manager opens, go into the public HTML folder. This folder is important because it's usually the main web root for your primary domain, which means files placed here can be accessed on your live website. Before uploading anything, make sure your website is packaged correctly, especially if you're working with a compressed zip file. Next, click the upload button. A new upload screen will appear, and from here you can drag and drop your website zip file into the window. Wait for the upload to fully complete before moving on. Depending on the size of your site and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the zip file has finished uploading, return to the public HTML folder. Find the uploaded zip file, right-click on it, and choose Extract. This will unpack your website files directly into the folder so your site can load properly online. If your zip file contains everything in the correct structure, your website should now be in place. The second option is using FTP, which is often helpful if you prefer working with a desktop application. To do this, open an FTP client such as FileZilla. Then connect to your hosting account using your cPanel login credentials, your server hostname, and port 21. Be sure to enter your own account details securely and double check them if the connection doesn't work the first time. After you connect, look for the public HTML folder on the server side. This is the same destination folder used in File Manager. Then simply drag your website files from your computer into public/HTML and allow the transfer to complete. If you're uploading extracted website files instead of a zip archive, FTP is often a convenient choice. That's it.